Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on a platform or an exchange popularly known as Binance. In this video, I'll be showing you a practical method via which you can be able to sell your cryptocurrencies. For instance, you want to quickly sell and get your money into your bank account, so you can directly do it on the exchange without the stress of looking for who to sell outside the exchange. And also you can be able to avert the gas fee or the withdrawal charge when you want to transfer out of the exchange. I'm making a live um, P2P trading system here, which is the safest way through which you can be able to sell and buy cryptocurrencies on this exchange and even on other exchange. But I'm using Binance for this tutorial. I have many other exchanges on my phone, but I'm using Binance for this tutorial. So first of all, once your account is registered, you have to verify it. So you can quickly verify your account if you don't have Binance with your bank verification number for those from Nigeria and also from other regions. So you can get your account verified within 5 minutes with your BVN. So it's just the safest and quick system of verification that is actually ongoing. So I will drop the link to get registered if you don't have Binance in the description of this video. So first of all, your account needs to be verified. So let me show you the evidence to show that an account is verified. So once your account is verified, you'll be seeing this symbol verified on green color. So you can see it right now. So this is actually my account page. So you can go ahead and click on this payment method. So when you click on payment method, you can actually add the payment method you want people to actually send money to you. So you can go to this place, this P2P payment methods, and add your bank account. So depending on the bank you want, you can go ahead and do that. So that is where to add your bank account. So that is the first step. Now the next step is to go ahead and click on your wallet. So you can click on wallet here. So you can click on wallet right here, the last option down here. So you can see that we have overview. This is overview here. So we have spot and we have funding. So we'll be using spot and funding for this tutorial. So when you click on spot, you can see that this page will pop up and you can see that we have a deposit, we have withdrawal, and we have transfer. So this is where your total this is actually your portfolio where your currency balance will reflect. So any amount you have in different currencies will actually show up in total as the equity value here. So in BTC, that is where it's normally rated. So now once you are here on your spot, you can actually do so many things under this spot. So first of all, to be able to trade your coin or to sell it, to buy from other exchangers or merchants, sorry, you can actually come to this place and move your coin depending on the amount you want to sell. So if, for instance, you want to sell, you click on transfer. You need to transfer your money from spot. This is your spot and this is funding. So this is where it will be moved out of your account to the buyer. So you have to select the cryptocurrency you want. So the balance you have will show up here. So I'll be using USDT for instance. So I've actually moved some amount. So you actually put the amount you want to move and you click on confirm. So it's to successfully transfer to funding. Now when I go to funding, you will see that I have a balance here. That is, I think, $80. I have $80 in my funding account. So what I need to do is to go ahead and select P2P. So this is the system of selling that I'm going to use. So I'm going to click on P2P. Okay, so right here on P2P, we have buy and we have sell. So the option first showing up here is buy, and the second option is sell. So if you want to buy from them or from all these sellers, so you can click on this. Let's say you want to buy, you click on buy, or you've actually checked there are some things you need to verify before going ahead to buy from anyone. So first of all, you need to check the number of trade the person has completed. So this is actually where you need to check. So you need to have a conviction that this person is eligible to trade with you. So you have this one has completed 75%, so it's fair. So you have, he has completed 901 trades, so he has 98% trading rate. So it's actually good, this person is good. But there is another thing you need to check. You have to check the limit, he is willing to trade. So he is willing to buy the one that is within is willing to sell rather the limit at this limit of 1 million. So you might not actually be eligible to trade with this person. So for the easiest way of getting the person that you can actually trade with, you need to come to this place that is showing amount and click on amount. So for instance, let me say I want to sell 50 bucks, that is 50,000 naira worth of USDT. So I'll click on this. Now it will actually filter the one that are willing. So those ones that are willing to trade at this rate will show up. So you can see it's right here that I can actually check out this person and go by his option. So you can also check payment method that you want. That is also very important. So as for this person, he is having bank transfer as a system of trade. So you can actually go with this person and do bank transfer if you have verified this. So now let me use selling option for this particular practical way of transaction here. So what do I need to do? I have selected 50 NGN. So this is the limit minimum I can actually find people in this category and find the person that is willing to trade with me. So you can see this person now. This first person has made 4,981 trades, so he has completed 98.40 percent. So I can eligibly go with this person. So what do I need to do? I can tap right here and I will put the amount I want. So I'll put $80. So now I will go ahead and check his, okay, he has good positive review, so I can actually go ahead and trade with this person. So he's actually willing to make payments via bank transfer. You can see it right here. So he's going to pay into the bank account that I've provided. So what do I need to do? Once I am here, the next thing I'm going to do is to check out this countdown. So expect to receive payment within this period of time. So what I need to do, I'll go ahead, this is the payment method that I'm going to select. So what do I need to do? I'll select this method here. So I'll click here and this drawdown will actually, okay, this is the payment method he's going to use. So this is my bank detail that I've added. So I'm expecting him to pay into the account, so I can quickly send him a message here. So I'll quickly send him a message. So let me just chat with the person. So he's online, so I'm going to chat with him. Say hello, kindly go ahead and okay, make the payment. Okay, note, okay, do not add any crypto related terms in the narration. Okay, I will send. Okay, it's going to send 59,204 naira. So you can see the amount I'm expected to receive from this person. So I'll wait. So once I receive payment, I will release the USDT for you. So okay, I've left a message with him. So what he's going to do now is to go ahead and make the payment. So I'll wait for him to make the payment. Once I receive, so once you receive your payment, you can come down here and click on this, that payment received. So you are expected to click here once you are verified that the payment has been made into your account. So don't click here until payment is made, or else you might lose your coin. So that is basically how to trade. So once I receive, I can go ahead and release. So once I click on payment received, so it's going to actually pop up that I have to forward the coin to the person. So I'll kindly pause this video and wait for him to complete payment. Okay guys, successfully I've actually confirmed this payment, and the guy has actually paid in this money. So he actually paid 59,204 naira. So let me actually show you the payment I received. So this is actually the money he paid into the account. So he actually paid in this money right now. So I'm going to release the coin. So what I need to do is to go to Binance again and actually confirm and release the coin for him. So what I'm going to do is to tap on so I'll tap on payment received. So that is what I'm going to do. I'll click right here and verify. So I need to verify. Okay, I need to verify. Select that I've received the correct amount. So I'm going to confirm now to release the coin for him. So I need to verify my phone number. So there will be a verification code to be sent to my phone number, and I'll copy it, go ahead and submit for successful transaction. So that is basically what that I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this 107749 right now. So I'm going to put 107749. So okay, it's incorrect, sorry about that. Let me actually confirm what I've just received. Okay, 170749. Okay, 170749, I think is correct now. Okay, okay, successfully sold. So this is actually the transaction detail. So this is the final step of the transaction. So I can actually go ahead and give him a positive feedback. So he actually did a quick transaction right away. So I will give him a positive feedback. So it's quick in transactions. So I'll write fast transaction and leave comment. So that is basically how to trade your coin in your Binance. So for successful transaction, find a merchant that is willing to go with your expectation and trade with the person. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.